Welcome back to my channel. So now we are going to start this SQL Developer video series. So I'm going to use a web SQL Developer tool to write all the commands and to explain all the commands of SQL. Okay, you all might be knowing about SQL Developer tool, but here we are using Web SQL Developer tool. This we can find in Oracle Cloud. If you are not knowing about Oracle Cloud and Web SQL Developer, please comment below. I'll make a separate video on Oracle Cloud and Web SQL Developer, and there I'll explain you about everything, how you can get to reach out to this place, and how you can you can create your own SQL, your own Oracle Cloud instance, and you can access everything over there. Okay, now let's start today's tutorial. So now I'm going to I'm going to create some tables, and I'm going to show how to select, how to create all those things. So for that, I'm going to take help of live SQL, and we will copy a lot of commands from there. So I'm going to take you to live SQL. Live SQL is a place from where we can we can find a lot of commands to create the data. Okay, so for this, let me you can also copy this link, and you can reach out to this place. I'll give you this link to in description box. Okay, now let me sign in here, and I will quickly take you to the scripts, and then here we have an option called view script. I'll click on this button. Then we have this EMP and department table. I will go to this place, and here we have all these create commands and insert commands. So why I'm doing these things, I don't want to write all these commands for now. At least I'm going to show you how we can write it, but in later videos. Now I'll just take I'll create these tables, and I'll populate some of the data, and I'll start from beginning. Okay, so I have downloaded it from here, this file, and we'll open it. Here is the file. Okay, so let me copy this one by one. Okay, so here we have this create department table. I'll copy this command, I'll paste it here. Anyway, I'll give you this this file also. I'll give you this file as well, so that you can try by yourself. Okay, so I have this create table command. I will copy this over here, and I will run it. So this department table gets created. If you look into that in the this thing, you can see this create table. This is the name of the table. Here you have the column name and the data type of the column. Again, another column name, data type of the column. Third column name, data type of the column. And this is constraint, primary key constraint, pk underscore dept. Is nothing but your primary key, and this is the name of the column. So this is how we have created the table. Now let me copy this another command, which is for EMP table. Here we have this EMP table, and if we have employee number, employee name, job, manager, hire date, salary, commission, department number. Okay, these are the columns. Then here we have the primary key constraint. EMP number is a primary key, and this is foreign key constraint. Okay, this is nothing but referencing the other table, department table, and department number is a common column for both the tables. Okay, we will run this. Okay, why is saying unknown? Department table we got. Let me run it again. Okay, yeah, EMP table created. Okay, I will refresh it. You'll get EMP table over here. Now let me go to the next command. Here we have all these insert commands to insert the records. Okay, so now let me copy all these anyway. So all these four are there for department insertion. Okay, I've copied all these 4, Control C, and I will remove this and paste all the insert over here. So insert row into department table. Here you can see insert into DPT, department number, D name, location. So department number is 10, D name is accounting, location is New York. Similarly, research, Dallas, and this is your department number. Okay, so all these 4 are insert commands are there. Let me run it one by one. Either you can run it one by one, or we have this option to run entire script in one shot. Let me try this one. So you can see these many row got inserted: 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, and 4 rows. Here table got created, then 4 rows got inserted: 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's come back to another command. Here we have all the insert into EMP table. I'll copy all these EMP command, EMP insertion. And till here we have all these insert. I will copy this and let me remove the old one, and I'll paste all the EMP one. Again, I'm going to run all these insert in one shot. So this is the feature in SQL Developer. Okay, I will run. If you want, I can just delete this script output and I'll run this insert. So you can see all these insert happened. So we have now a lot of records in department table and EMP table. I will quickly show you those. So I'll do select star from EMP. Okay, run this. And you can see we have these many records. Yeah. Similarly, let me show you for department as well. Select star from DPT. So just to run this command, either you can select entire command, or you just place your cursor in between. If your command has this proper end termination, you just put your cursor over here and click on this button. Okay, it will by default understand that you're going to run this one. So we have these 4 records in department. And again, if you click on this and you'll run this, click on this button, it will understand that we are going to run this statement, and accordingly we'll get the output. Okay, so as you can see, we have all the data in department table, all the data in employee table. So this is what I wanted to show you about about the live SQL and these insert and select command.